Hi guys, I'm Rodney. We just arrived in Yangzhou, which is nearby Shanghai and kind of close to Nanjing, which is a very beautiful part of China here. Today we're going to check out how they make wood-fired grills for barbecuing. I think you'll find it quite amazing how it's done. So it is a little cold out right now, and I'm cold, so let's go ahead and run into the factory and see how things are done. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, I just arrived inside the gate. We're going to go meet Tom. I believe he's going to introduce the factory to us. And there are quite a few buildings here, so it's a big facility. So let's walk this way. Oh, you must be Tom. I'm Rodney. Nice to meet you.
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Good.
I will show you the full production line of grill today. Let's start from showroom.
I'm so excited. This is cool.
So please.
Look at all those grills. Wow.
Firstly, you need for a visit card.
You're going to keep those spies out. Okay. Let's check out these grills. So what are these two on the right here? We have... I see it's stainless steel, yeah?
That is steel. 304.
Is this your chimney?
This is your chimney.
What is this? Is this for putting beer in it, or what do you do?
No. This is for oil collector.
Oh, okay. Gotta have those cold beers, man.
Have a look.
All right. So I see that's your
this is our
small grill.
Yeah.
Warming rack. Yeah. And we have the larger one there, yeah.
This is our cooking grill.
I see the oil collecting pan here. Yeah.
Oil connect.
And that goes down.
Down, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's an easy to clean.
Easy system.
And to maintain. Easy to clean and maintain.
Heat fulfill.
Well, that spreads the heat around so that
around.
everything cooks evenly, yes?
That's correct.
And it maybe looks like the heating chamber in there, where the pellets burn, yeah?
Yeah, pellet burn, and then the heat comes out. Something like this.
How long does, if you have this full of pellets, how long does it last?
3 to 5 hours.
Great. Now these are only for the United States, or do you, where?
This is for the United States. You sell it online.
Online, okay.
Yeah.
So Tom, is this the lavatory?
Yeah, this is our laboratory. Have a look.
Oh, these are the prototypes, new prototypes.
This is our new samples for 2019 season.
Great.
If they finish samples, firstly, they will do the electrical part test.
So this is where you're going to test all the electrical components to make sure everything's functioning properly. No electrocution, like.
Yeah, that's correct.
And these are what is this, like the steps of checking?
Steps.
Okay, good. I can smell like smoke. Are you cooking something in here?
Yeah, after they do if you pass all the safety tests, they will do the burn test.
Do you test steaks in here too? You put steak on there and cook it, or no? So we're in here doing a burn test now, and you can see inside the grill that there are 6 pads. That's measuring the temperature. They're going to do an average temperature, and if it does pass the test, the lady, of course, is marking this down from the meter. After this is done, then I believe there's going to be a rain test to test the outside of each unit.
So if we pass all the tests, we will start the back order for the whole production. So let's go.
Great, let's check it out. Here we have the raw material, which are very heavy sheet metal rolls. They're put into the machine over here, and then they're cut to certain sizes depending on the specifications required. And then they go to the next stage or phase over here, and then they're shaped and cut even further. So we go this way. So that's the raw material department. After it's been cut into certain sizes and shapes, it will then come into this department. And you can see that there are about 25 or 30 different press and punching machines here. And here's a plate which has been pressed. You can see the smooth lining here. So maybe some of these products will go into the next department and might bend the edges. So we'll go check out this now. Yes?
So running this woman is bending. After this, they finish the part, it will go to the welding. Let's go.
Okay.
So running, we are in enamel workshop. First step, we clean the surface to wipe off the oil. Second, we do the phosphating. After phosphating, we spray the color. Okay. You know, this is they do the washing step.
So after the washing and cleaning and the phosphating of the different components, we could then come into the third stage, which is the powdering, which could add different colors up to the surface of the material. So let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so we've seen many steps of how this product is put together, and finally it's put into boxes, stacked onto a pallet, and then shipped off to the United States. You know, it's really been a great day today walking around checking out how you make these different grills.
Yeah.
Really interesting how it's done.
Our last day with you.
Very good.
It's my pleasure.
Thanks a lot, Tom. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Perhaps see you next time. Goodbye. We just finished the tour of the factory today to see how they make different types of grills. I'm really surprised at how they control the quality of making these units. So I'm Rodney with the Chinese Factory Tour. I hope to see you next time. Subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye.